Hi guys, we're making a video for guide exit to Ikea. That's the office for the MTR. We just exit the gate and go to your right side. Go to your right side. Run. Exit E, as in elephant. Go to your exit. Exit right, always right. And then go to your left. Right. So there. So that area going to the right is the Sogo. So you exit into your left side. It's Great George Street. This is the street. And let's go. Just walk ahead. Go straight. When you exit the exit E as an elephant, walk on your left side and walk until you see Ikea. This is the street. You see, welcome. 24 hours na yung welcome. Wala, 24 hours na yung welcome. Ang galing naman. So I remember here we bought a chocolate ice cream here. We eat. So after that, when you pass by the welcome on your, excuse me, on your right left side, there is a building says Windsor House. In front is the Style House. The building of the Ikea is Style House. Wait, so that's the Ikea there. That is Style House. There in the basement and the ground floor. Alright, this is it. Bye guys. So this is the Victoria Park. That's the Victoria Park there. And this is the Windsor House. That's Sugo there. Alright guys, that's it. It's a guide for Ikea Causeway Bay. Thank you guys in Hong Kong. Bye.